2018 Acura TLX ratings. Car 01. The 2018 TLX isn't the best car, but it also isn't a bad car. It has an adequate but underwhelming base engine, though a more powerful engine is available. The interior is nice and the seats are comfortable, but there are some hard materials and limited space in the rear. You're likely to be satisfied with the TLX, but there are better luxury midsize cars out there. If you're looking for a luxury car but don't want to break the bank, the 2018 Acura TLX is a good choice. Starting at $33,000, it has one of the lowest price tags in the class, yet it still has most of the amenities you'd expect of a luxury midsize car. We've analyzed 33 reviews of the Acura TLX and combined them with information like fuel economy estimates and crash test results to provide you with everything you need to know to make your car buying decision. The TLX was introduced for the 2015 model year and has seen few changes since. As a result, this overview uses applicable data from the 2015 through 2018 model years. With over 75 years of combined experience in the automotive industry and a decade's worth of ranking cars, trucks, and SUVs, our team is equipped to provide the decision-making help that car buyers need. You can count on us to provide objective analyses of the vehicles we cover because we have no horse in this race. Our editorial team does not accept expensive gifts or trips from automakers, and all of the advertising on our site is handled by a third party. The BMW 5 Series offers more than the TLX, including a lineup of potent engines and above-average cargo space. However, it comes at a higher starting price of $51,200, $18,200 more than the TLX. For this base price, the BMW has a 248 horsepower engine that gives you plenty of power in the city and on the highway. Its most potent engine produces a hearty 456 horsepower. Like the TLX, the 5 Series was made to favor comfort over agility. It will give you a smooth ride rather than a sporty one. Unlike the TLX, however, the 5 Series has plenty of cargo space, 18.7 cubic feet compared to the TLX's 14.3 cubic feet. The 5 Series also has a 10.2-inch touchscreen with voice and handwriting recognition, which is better than the TLX's infotainment system. It allows you to control certain functions by motioning your hands in front of the screen. If you can afford the splurge, go with the 5 Series.